this video, we demonstrate how to check whether the BioVital device is running the latest firmware and how to flash the newest firmware if required. To begin, please visit the website www.biovital.eu. It is important to use Google Chrome-based browser as the system will not function correctly with unsupported browsers. Navigate to the Web Flash tool and connect the BioVital device to your computer via USB-C. By pressing the check button, you can establish a USB connection to the BioVital sensor and verify whether the firmware is up to date or outdated. Now switch the BioVital to firmware upload mode and use the available Connect button. Select the BioVital bootloader. Then select the DFU interface as shown in the video. And finally, download the latest firmware to the BioVital device. Please wait until the firmware upload is fully completed. This process can take a long time, but it is worth the wait. The update is now complete and the firmware has been successfully installed. Lastly, disconnect the BioVital device from your computer. The sensor is now up to date. Enjoy and have fun.
Beep 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 towel, beep 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 towel.